Hi guys, today I've got the easiest low bun hairstyle. To start, we're going to divide the hair in half, and working on that right hand side, we're just going to pop it into a low ponytail using a clear elastic band. And then just repeat this on the left hand side, so you should end up with 2 low ponytails. Next, take some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and just apply this all over the top of the head. Then, using your fingers and thumb, gently pinch and pull at the hair to create a little bit of volume. So taking that ponytail on the left, all we're going to do is twist it towards the head, apply some more texture spray down that twist, and then gently pinch and pull to create a bit more texture. Now take it over the elastic band on the right hand side and pin it on the right, the middle and the left hand side of the twist to keep it secure to the head. Take the tail ends and combine it with the right hand ponytail. Now we're going to twist this away from the head, add some more texture spray to that twist and pinch and pull. Bring this twist over to the left hand side and again anchor it to the head using a couple of bobby pins on each side. Now bringing the tail ends back over to the right hand side, we're going to pin them to the head with another bobby pin and again secure the middle of the twist to the head also. Spend a couple of seconds just pinching and pulling at the bun, and it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.